สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hi everyone, here is ครูสมุก from Banana Thai or your Thai teacher, and today ค่ะ I would like to answer one question from my student, and I think many of you might have the same question. The question of the word ni and the word ni. What are the difference between these two words? So in this video ค่ะ I will teach you the differences as well as an example of the words that use with these two words, ni and ni. Before we get started, I would like to remind you to subscribe my YouTube channel, or if you want to check out my podcast, go on the Spotify and search for Banana Thai Learn Thai คลิกเลย podcast ค่ะ Alright, we're gonna start with the first one. The difference between ni and ni. Well, these two words, if you read it with the transliteration, like with the English transliteration, you will see that it looks the same. However, the thing that is different is the tone and the tone mark. The first word ค่ะ the word ni with a falling tone. Ni. Ni. But say it quicker. Ni. Ni. Ni with falling tone. And another one ค่ะ Ni. Ni. Ni is a high tone เนาะ Ni. So falling tone, ni, and high tone, ni, different. Second thing ค่ะ the difference is these two words actually are used in a different way. We're gonna start one by one with the first word, the word ni, falling tone. The word ni with a falling tone is a noun or a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, or in English it is like the word this as a noun or pronoun, and it's only used as a subject or an object as noun. For example, นี่คืออะไร นี่คืออะไร What is this? See, this as a thing or a noun. So, นี่ with a falling tone นะ นี่คืออะไร What is it? นี่คือยางรัดผม This is a hairband. Yang actually means rubber or gummi. รัดผม รัด means to tight, and ผม is hair, so ยางรัดผม mean hair band นะคะนี่ falling tone นี่คือยางรัดผม this is the hair band. Next one, you can use the word นี่ as I mentioned as an object as well. For example, ดูนี่สิ ดูนี่ look at this, right? ดูนี่ look at this. You can use the word นี่ with a falling tone as this, the thing, or the noun, or the object, or the animal, or the person. Now, use the word นี่ with falling tone. Now, let's move on to the next word. The word นี้ with a high tone. นี้ with a high tone. The word นี้ with a high tone is used as an adjective. So, you use the word นี้ with noun, because it's modify a noun, right? An adjective modifies noun. So you say noun plus นี้ noun plus นี้ but if you want to be accurate, if you want to speak properly, you need to learn a classifier. So the structure of it should be noun, classifier, and นี้ For example, ครูคนนี้ ครูคนนี้ this teacher. หมาตัวนี้ หมาตัวนี้ is this dog. The word ตัว is a classifier of หมา right? Next one ค่ะ หนังสือเล่มนี้ หนังสือเล่มนี้ this book. The word เล่ม is a classifier of the word หนังสือ So if you are a beginner and you don't know all classifier, you can skip it. I know it's not the correct way to say, but it's understandable. You can say หมานี้ ครูนี้ but again นี้ with a high tone because it is an adjective. So as you can see now, big difference is นี้ falling tone is a noun, and นี้ high tone is adjective as this. Now come to the last part ค่ะ This part is about common mistake. There are some words that use with the word นี้ and some words with use with the word นี้ Normally, you can compound a noun together with the word นี้ นี้ as a high tone. But there is one word that used with the word นี้ falling tone, which is the word ที่นี่ ที่นี่ means here. มาที่นี่ come here, or you can just shorten it to say มานี่ as in come here, right? ที่นี่ both of them ที่นี่ falling tone means here, but the rest we use with the word นี้ with the high tone. For example, as I mentioned before, as well as the word ตอนนี้ 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 as right now, วันนี้ as today. So that's it. Very, very easy, right? The differences between นี้ and นี้ noun and adjective. I hope this video answer all of your questions, but if not, please feel free to comment below. I will get back to you very, very soon. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe Banana Thai or check out my online Thai courses on www.bananathaischool.com and see you in the next video. เจอกันวิดีโอหน้านะคะ บ๊ายบายค่ะ หวังว่าจะสนุกกับวิดีโอนี้นะคะ I hope you have fun with this video. วิดีโอนี้ นี้ high tone as an adjective. วิดีโอนี้ this video. บ๊ายบายค่ะ